Good morning students. Now we are going to discuss about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Ambedkar was popularly known as Baba Sahib Ambedkar. He was born on April 14, 1891 at Mahau in Madhya Pradesh, India. His father's name was Ramoji Makoji Sakpal, who was an army officer in the British India Army. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the 14th son of his father. Bhima Bai Sakpal was his mother's name. His family was a Marathi background from the town of Ambavade. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was born as a Dalit and he was treated as an untouchable. Among his brothers and sisters, he was the only one who passed his examination and went to high school. He was often ignored by the people due to caste discrimination. Ambedkar studied at the University of Bombay in 1907. By 1912, he obtained his degree in economics and political science from Bombay University. He also studied in Columbia University and at the London School of Economics. At the age of 15, Ambedkar got married with Ramabai in the year of 1906. After a long illness, Ramabai was died in 1935. Ambedkar was suffered from lack of sleep and pain in his legs and was taking insulin and homeopathic medicine. He went to Bombay for treatment and there he met Sharada Kabir, whom he married on 15th April 1948 at his home in New Delhi. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is looked up as a symbol of equality. Bhima Ramji Ambedkar played an important role in framing the constitution of our country. He outlawed the discrimination against lower caste and untouchables and wanted to establish equality among our countrymen. He said that he believed in the society where friendship, equality and brotherhood exist. However, a man who did so much for our country has suffered many atrocities about his caste in the initial days. Even the children belonging to the lower caste could not go to the school for studies due to the poor thinking of the society. Fortunately, the government ran a special school for the children of all the employees working in the army. So, B.R. Ambedkar early education could be possible. Despite being good at studies, he along with all the lower caste children accompanying him were seated outside the class or in the corner of the class. The teachers there also paid a little attention to them. These children were not allowed to even touch the tap to drink water. The peon of the school used to pour the water on his hand from afar, and then they used to get water to drink. When the peon was not there, they had to study and go without water, despite being thirsty. Ambedkar took admission to Mumbai's high school and he was the first lower caste student to get admission in that school. In 1907, Ambedkar passed his high school examination. This success triggered a wave of happiness among the people of his caste because it was a big thing to pass high school at that time. And it was amazing to have someone from their community to achieve it. After that, Bhima Ambedkar obtained degree in economics and political science in 1912, breaking all records in the field of studies. In 1913, he went to America for post-graduation and there in 1915 from Columbia University. He did MA. He was awarded a PhD for one of his researches in the following year. In 1916, he published the book as Evolution of Provisional Finance in British India. B.R. Ambedkar went to London in 1916 with his doctoral degree, where he studied law at the London School of Economics and enrolled in the degree of doctorate in economics. However, in the next year, after the scholarship money ran out, he had to leave his studies in the middle and return to India. After that, he came to India and did a lot of other jobs like clerical jobs and job of an accountant. He completed his research by going back to London in 1923 with the help of his remaining money. He was awarded the degree of Doctor of Science by the university. Since then, he spent the rest of his life in the service of society. He participated in many campaigns for the independence of India, wrote many books for the social freedom of Dalit and making India an independent nation. In 1926, he became a member of Bombay Legislative Council. On 13th October 1935, Ambedkar was made the principal of Government Law College and worked on his post for 2 years. In 1936, Ambedkar founded the Independent Labour Party, which later contested the Central Assembly election and won 15 seats. Between 1941 and 1945, he published a number of books like Thoughts in Pakistan. In this book, he demanded for creating a separate country for Muslims was strongly opposed. Ambedkar's vision of India was totally different. He wanted to see the whole country without falling apart, which is why he strongly criticized the policies of the leaders who wanted to divide India. After India's independence, on 15th August 1947, Ambedkar became the first law minister. He gave a strong law to India. Then, his written constitution came into force on 26th January 1950. And in addition to this, the Reserve Bank of India was established with the view of Ambedkar. After all, while struggling with political issues, Ambedkar's health damaged day by day, and then on 6th December 1956 he passed away. He had changed the thinking of the society to a great extent. He ensured that Dalits and women get their rights. On a conclusion, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is also known as Baba Sahib Ambedkar. He was a great politician,